Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD supervised video. Today we are doing unprotected lefts. We are on 2026.14.6.11 FSD version 14.3.4. I am going to just manually drive a little bit forward here just to get to this point here. And then, really wants to go through that alleyway. So over here, this is our unprotected left. We've got a lot of traffic coming in from the left-hand side and from the right-hand side. So we have a little bit of a median there, and you can see it at the car in front of us. And there's a lot of people honking for that car, apparently, to make it drive through. But we are going to see what FSD is going to do. It doesn't seem like to highlight any median area on the visualization anymore. I'm going to try and get rid of the blind spot. Actually, I am going to first, I want to go to my FSD profile, and then I'm going to try and get rid of it while it's trying to find a gap over here. There we go. So yeah, we've got cars coming in from the left, cars coming in from the right. Really, there is no space. There's a car right behind me, and I think they're also taking a left. There is a gap right in front of me. I don't know why I did that now. But let's see why it's giving us the high definition parking one. It's waiting for a very long time, and it's not even inching forward a little bit. So yeah, this is going to be a long one, I think. It's going to have to validate that there is no traffic coming in from the right. Unfortunately, I don't know why my visualization's now zoomed in. And there is a lot of traffic coming in from the right. It's non-stop. So there is a bus coming as well. But we're gonna wait it out and see. Hopefully the guy behind me is not gonna honk. But I think they are turning left as well. So they are stuck on the same. Oh, I see the steering wheel has turned left a little bit. I don't really know how it sees on the left because there is a lot of cars that are parked on the left hand side. Are we gonna inch forward here a little bit? It doesn't seem like it. This is rush hour right now. It's around 4 p.m. So people are kind of leaving and heading back home. I'm not too sure what to do in this test here. There's a lot of vehicles coming by from the left and from the right. Okay, it seems to be there is a gap on the right, so I am going to try and inch it forward here. Oh, there's a big bus coming in from the left-hand side here. Let me try and give it just a little bit of a tap. I want to try and get it to inch forward a bit, and it is starting to creep now because I did tap on the accelerator a little bit. And now that we've got a lot of traffic on the left, I'm probably going to fast forward here a little bit until we see something happening. There is a pedestrian coming in. I really wish it does show like some sort of a sign that it's pushing forward here, because that's the only way we can do it. So I am going to tap here while they give us a chance, and the car is now driving by itself. We are approaching the median here, and it's clear on the right. Let's see if it's going to go for it. Yeah, it does. I'm just going to wave for the car over there. So yeah, folks, this is very tough situation. This unprotected left is hard. But yeah, let me circle around and try this one more time. All right, so this is our second chance here. We're gonna try this out. This car in front of me kind of went a little bit on the right to make this turn. Yeah, we've got the full visualization right now, so we can see there's no cars on the left. It's inching forward a little bit here. Okay, I'm gonna probably give it a oh, it does actually drive a little bit forward by itself. And yeah, there is a gap here on the right, so let's see if it's gonna take it. It does feel like it's not very, it's not trying to inch forward here for this turn, so it should really utilize that median in the middle of the road to try and do a turn. Yeah, and we're stuck here. There's a lot of traffic. There's a car that's reversing right next to me. I don't know what do they want to do. They're trying to probably turn into the median as well. What the hell? That's they're very ambitious with that. I tell you what, they've got the hazards on and they're just reversing. And they decided to park, I guess. So if you folks haven't done yet, please hit like and please subscribe to my channel. It'll help me a lot. If you have any comments, please let me know at the bottom of the video here in the comment section. I really want this to do it by itself without me hitting the accelerator. We've got a little bit of action here, it's inching forward. It waits for such a long time. I tell you what. And it was like rock solid, like on that position. It doesn't inch forward at all. It doesn't do any kind of like uh like action to show you that it wants to cross or not. It just feels like it's stuck almost. And I haven't done anything over there. It just waits for that gap and it needs to clear on the right and the left. So it's pretty tough, especially when there's a lot of traffic. You know what? I'll do this one more time and I'll probably call this off because it's interesting. I'd like to see what how it can perform again if we see if there's anything different. Okay, so here's our third try. And I tell you what, the construction in front of us is not really helping with this situation as well. They kind of closed off one of the lanes, so it's only one lane that is accessible on that side. Let's see if it reacts to this car here, stopping and waiting for us. They didn't, or FSD didn't. There was a big gap on the other side of the road, so that would have been our chance to leap across. I'm going to twist it here to the right just to show you how that gap on the other side of the road is is not very frequent, so we don't get that chance a lot. We have a gap on our left-hand side. We're hoping for a gap on the right-hand side now. And I want to show you as well on the left-hand side, you can see that car that's parked on the right. That is really like obstructing our view. I don't understand how FSD is able to see through that car. We're getting a little bit of an action. The car is going forward a little bit. And it looks like it wants to do this. And we've got a little bit more action here. But there are cars coming in from the right-hand side, as you can see. And now we're practically outside of the intersection. You can see how inside to the road our nose is, or the front of the car. Got a truck that's trying to turn in over here. And it seems like the truck next to us is kind of stuck. So they're all waiting on me now. Oh, and I put us on that high definition mode again. All right, I'm going to try and push this car through. Let me see if I can force it into the median. There's no gap on our left-hand side though. Okay, so we are getting a little bit of a gap. Nothing yet. I'm getting the honk right now. All right, and now I'm gonna push it through. Okay, I just gave it a tap here to get it into the intersection, and we've got a gap. Yeah, so I really wish it utilizes that median. I really wish it utilizes that median, but it doesn't seem like it does. In the previous versions, believe it or not, it did. So, folks, let me know what do you think about this test. If you want to see more of this, I can come out and repeat it again. Hope you guys like this video, and please don't forget to use my referral code. If you're planning on buying a Tesla, you can get 3 months off your FSD, 3 months off. And also, if you use my code for a demo drive, I get a little bit of an incentive as well. So, thank you so much for your support, and hope you guys will see you soon in the next one. Have a nice day.